Yeah, you better run.
I think I want a baby.
A baby? But we were going to see the Northern Lights in Alaska. And you're spelunking with the guys? Yeah, I said it. Spelunking.
Hey, motherfucker.
Man, I still haven't built one of those. Come on, it's pretty awesome. Okay, just a few things we need to do first. Before you make your leap, make a list. Then get going in a completely redesigned CRV. All new from Honda.
It's kind of dark.
Ghost Protocol is really it's everywhere. So where are we going? It's an outstanding worldwide adventure. Cool. Real fast and mission react.
You can read that. The Accurate digital system, exclusively at LensCrafters.
Is she trying to chase her tail?
Measurement techniques. LensCrafters.
The old standby. The bare minimum.
She's not gonna go after it.
Take it to the house with Taco Bell's Taco 12-pack. 12
Taco
classic
Pack is
first
biting
tacos
Dad's leg.
boxed up and ready for game day. Now at Taco Bell. There was a little bit of trepidation. Not quite know what the next phase was going to be, you know, because you've been, you know, this is what you've been doing. working. And now you're talking about, well, you know.
What, she got a little strength going
I
on?
get the chance.
Oh, the more you pull against, the more she'll pull.
It's my world. That's my world.